is this woman in matrimony?
Her mother and I do.
We are gathered together here in the presence of friends and family to celebrate the love which Felicia and Daniel have for each other, to give social recognition to their decision to commit their lives and accept each other completely, to learn how to help and understand each other, to build a family, and together to travel through life. Felicia, will you have this man to be your wedded husband, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto him so long as you both shall live? Will you, Daniel, have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto her so long as you both shall live? Do we have rings? Daniel, as you place the ring on your bride's hand, please repeat after me. I, Daniel, take you, Felicia, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness or in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. And here too, I pledge you my faithfulness. Okay. Felicia, as you put the ring on your husband's hand, please repeat after me. I, Felicia, take you, Daniel.
I, Felicia, take you, Daniel.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
And here too.
And here too.
I pledge you my faithfulness.
I pledge you my faithfulness.
And I think the bride and groom have a special little ceremony they want to do too. Pinky promise.
No.
Okay. True marriage is more than joining the bonds of marriage of two persons. It is the union of two hearts. It lives on the love you give each other and never grows old, but thrives on the joy of each new day. Marriage is love. May you always be able to talk things over, to confide in each other, to laugh with each other, to enjoy life together, and to share moments of quiet and peace when the day is done. May you be blessed with a lifetime of happiness and a home of warmth and understanding. And now, if you will join me, I would like to offer a prayer on this couple's behalf. Father God,
I know you didn't say that. Yeah, that's okay.
we are
Oh, I'm thinking.
You know, you're thinking too? Yeah, I finally found a good spot on that.
Good cow. Huh?
I thought you were doing something.
Oh, think about ballad.
Ready, 3, 2.